Do we need cyber insurance? Well, it's actually a topic. Let's talk about it. Let's figure out whether it's going to help us. And my answer is probably yes. Other people would say definitely yes, because the attack vector keeps getting bigger, right? 10.5 trillion by 2025. The number is so big, and we're talking about a major gross national output of a country, right? So it gets big. And when we look at the average potential compromise is $183,000. This is just an email compromise, right? So look at how it affects us. SolarWinds paid $26 million to settle the lawsuits around that hack. $26 million. That affected a lot of the bottom line. More importantly, that affected a lot of the organizations that trusted them. What is the impact of future sales at SolarWinds once they got hacked? And unfortunately, we do a lot of blaming the victim here. Could they have done things better? Absolutely, we all can. At the end of the day, they were a victim, and their methodology was compromised in a way that they did not anticipate. They certainly wouldn't have left that risk open if they understood it. So the idea here is to really understand it. And when we look at 16 million settlement with Experian, T-Mobile data over the breaches they had, that is a lot of money. But what happened to that data? What happened to the people? That's the hidden cost here is not just the dollar amount, but the effect it has. And when we look at the top 12 causes of cybercrime, well, number one is going to be ransomware. Well, some of these others are a way to implement ransomware, right? So this is an interesting graph because it breaks it out according to the effectiveness of the methodology to get in and do some damage. And we look about, this is what's been paid. Remember, insurance companies don't want to pay. So we have to look at that as a concern here. 29% ransomware, just going down, social engineering 12. And we get down to the bottom, we still see insider threat. Not as risky in public safety generally as in others, but it still makes the list, right? We still see it as there.